In the Kingdom of Aurelion, where sunlight danced on crystal towers, a young king named Wimbley ruled with strength, wisdom, and bravery. But beneath his regal exterior, Wimbley's heart had grown cold. Years ago, his brother Rowan had fled during a rebel attack, leaving their father, the old king, to face the battle alone. The king never returned, and Wimbley's pain turned to anger. He buried his emotions beneath duty and pride, never speaking Rowan's name again. But one stormy night, a mysterious woman appeared before the throne, warning Wimbley, "The heart that cannot forgive will soon learn what it means to be frozen." The next dawn, the kingdom began to change. Rivers slowed, gardens turned pale, and a chill crept through the air. By nightfall, frost coated the castle walls, and Wimbley's people vanished into snow. Just as all hope seemed lost, Rowan appeared at the gate, cloaked and weary. "Brother," he called softly. Wimbley's voice cut through the cold. "You dare come back now?" Rowan's response was filled with shame. "I've carried my guilt every day since that night. I came to make it right, even if you never forgive me." Wimbley's bitterness was palpable. "Then you came for nothing." But as the ice deepened, Wimbley saw his reflection pale, hollow, lifeless. He was becoming what his heart had become. In a desperate bid to save his kingdom, Rowan placed his hand into the eternal flame, the last warmth of Aurelion. Light burst through the hall, and Wimbley cried out in horror. When the light faded, Rowan was gone. Wimbley fell to his knees, clutching his brother's cloak. "I forgive you," he whispered. "I forgive you." Warmth returned, the frost cracked, and sunlight poured through the stained glass. The people awoke, the gardens bloomed, and a single golden feather lay beside the flame, Rowan's final gift. From that day on, King Wimbley ruled with wisdom and mercy, never again letting pride rule his heart. He'd whisper to his father's statue, "Forgiveness doesn't change the past, it heals the heart." Aurelion shone brighter than ever, a kingdom saved by the power of forgiveness.